Hello everybody, this is the Introverted Gadgeteer here, and in this video we're going to unbox and take a look at Samsung's very first Galaxy Note. If you owned or have fond memories of this phone, you'll know as well as I do that this particular phone kicked off the Phablet era of smartphones. Back to the main event itself, I was sold this phone in sealed condition, and despite what you may see on the front of the box, this is actually a black colour phone. Flipping the box to the front, we have a picture of the Note, a classic Samsung logo, and for anyone that hasn't quite sussed out what we are unboxing yet, we have the name of the phone. I have my trusty kitchen knife on the side here, so let's not waste any more time and break the seal. While we were unboxing this Note, I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments as to whether you think this phone has been resealed at some point in its lifetime. I do have a few gripes, which I will mention along the way. So, kicking things off, we have the Note front and centre, in a very suspicious plastic bag, may I add, but we'll come back to that in just a moment. Under this tray should be our accessories, and first to pick up is the quick start guide, which looks very out of place for this style of phone. Next, we have the wall adapter, and while it's sealed, does appear to be a model from a different Samsung phone, as I believe the first Note came with a plug with an integrated cable. Looking at the USB cable, this appears to be correct, as I believe all Note 1 models should have come with a white cable for data transfer. And would you look at that battery? I can safely say I will not be using this to switch the phone on, it's going straight to the recycling centre. And last up in the box is a pretty standard looking pair of white earphones. And so, that completes the unboxing. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, your support really means a lot. I'm going to put some music on in the background so we can sit back and relax and take a look around the phone, S Pen and peel that all important film from the screen. And so, we are back. With one new battery, we should now be ready to switch on the phone. I will resume the music, so we can sit back and bask in nostalgia of Samsung's classic TouchWiz interface.